बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स व्यूअर्स, आप इकनॉमिक्स विद साजिद के साथ। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप तमाम लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है डिमांड, चैप्टर नंबर 4 MCQs। ये तमाम के तमाम MCQs एग्ज़ामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज़्यादा अहम है, क्योंकि ये सारे MCQs मैंने पास्ट पेपर से कलेक्ट किए हैं जो बार बार एग्ज़ाम में आते हैं। Question number 1. Functional relationship between and price. QD is a function of price is known as law of demand. Decrease in demand due to rise in price is recorded. Construction in demand. What type of functional relationship between price and quantity? Inverse. Which formula is used to measure elasticity of demand with minor changes in price and quantity demanded? Point elasticity. Find out the demand equation as under. Q is equal to minus P plus 20. When price rises from 5 to 6 per unit and corresponding change in quantity demanded is 10 units from 20 units, elasticity of price minus 2.5. When 5% change in price results 10% change in quantity demanded, elasticity of demand will be. Elasticity of demand is greater than unity. Why shifting in demand curve takes place? Change in habits, customers, change in income. How demand for given good will be affected due to fall in its price? Quantity demanded will be decreased. Following formula, E is equal to delta Q over Q over delta P over P to measure elasticity of demand was introduced by Alfred Marshall. The demand for goods having close substitute is more elastic when total outlay remain the same due to change in the price of a good. Its elasticity of demand will be. Elasticity of demand is equal to unity. Which good is having elasticity more than unity? Car. When total outlay rises with the rise in price, the nature of elasticity of demand will be. Elasticity of demand is less than unity. Which of the following are not jointly demanded? Shoes and spectacles. The slope of an exponential demand curve is positive. Aggregate demand for electricity with respect to household, commercial and industrial uses is known. Composite demand. In spite of decrease in price when demand remains the same, it is called fall in demand. The demand for goods whose uses are postponed is regarded more elastic. Arc elasticity formula was presented by प्रोफेसर एलन। व्यूअर्स, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ ये लेक्चर आप लोगों को आसानी से समझ आ जाएगा और आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि काइंडली मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि आपको हर नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। और मेरी वीडियो को आप लोगों ने लाइक भी करना है और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करना है। थैंक यू, जज़ाकल्लाह।